Hey guys, so today's video, I'll be sharing Kylie's current hair regimen. So if you've been having issues establishing a routine or you're just completely lost when it comes to caring for your little one's curly hair, hopefully this video will be able to help you out and you can just kind of tweak it a little bit or replace the products for the ones you see fit. Since I don't want this video to be super long, I will only be discussing her current routine in this video, but if you'd like to see more about Kylie's hair journey and all the products and routines I did on her since birth, along with all my tips on baby hair care and caring for your little one's curly hair, be sure to click the link in the description box below so you can check out that video. So I typically only shampoo Kylie's hair once a week, and when I say typically, I mean that in the sense where it may vary depending on if we go to the park or something and she gets dirt in her hair, etc. But for the most part, I do shampoo it once a week, and the shampoo and conditioner that I'm currently using on her hair are from the Diva Curl Decadence line. Now, I know these aren't labeled as kids products per se, but I've been using them for a little bit over a month now since I did run out of her baby shampoo and conditioner, and I have not had any issues with these products, and they just really leave her hair moisturized, and personally, they're just one of my favorite products for myself as well. But of course, I would always recommend doing a patch test when trying out any new product on your little one. And if you just don't feel comfortable using a product that's not specifically labeled for kids or it's not from a kid line, then you can always just replace it with one that you feel comfortable with. So this particular shampoo is a lather-free shampoo, which is why you don't really see it lathering up, and it kind of just looks like conditioner, but it is very moisturizing. So I just work that through her hair, then I rinse it off. Next, I apply the Decadence One Condition, which has great slip and it makes finger detangling her hair super easy. I rarely use combs or brushes on her hair, so I pretty much just detangle and style it with my fingers, but as it starts getting longer, I will eventually switch to using a wide tooth comb to detangle her hair while she has a conditioner in her hair. So I pretty much just condition her hair 1 to 2 times a week. I always do it after I shampoo it, and I typically do it again in the middle of the week to co-wash her hair per se, just to kind of give it a little bit more moisture again throughout the week, and also to rinse off any other products she already has in her hair, if that kind of makes sense. So I let the conditioner sit in her hair for the remainder of the bath time while she plays with her toys. After, I rinse it off, and then I just use her baby towel to pat dry her hair. So when it comes to moisturizing her hair, because Kylie's hair is naturally very dry, I found that layering products works best. So right now we practice the LCO method. So if it's not a wash day, I always start off by applying water to her hair to dampen it a bit. Then I'll spray some of the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Moisturizing Spray, since it does contain some moisturizing ingredients like coconut oil, slippery elm extract, and shea butter, just to name a few. So that'll help keep her hair nice and moisturized throughout the day. Afterwards, I apply the curling buttercream from the same line. So this product is very thick, so a little bit does go a long way, and I just work that throughout her hair. So after applying the cream-based product, I seal in all the moisture with jojoba oil, and I prefer to use jojoba oil on her hair because it's a lightweight oil and its molecular structure resembles our hair's natural oil. So in my opinion, it's just the perfect oil that I can use daily without it leaving her hair feeling really nasty and greasy. And I just take a small amount of the oil and I rub it all over her hair, and then I massage it into her scalp. So this layering of products is what I found works best with moisturizing her hair. So even though the products may change in the future, the same steps will continue to apply, and I moisturize it as needed depending on how it feels. Usually that means every day, even if it means applying just a little bit of each product, or every other day. Again, I just moisturize it as needed depending on how her hair is feeling. So don't be afraid or discouraged if you have to moisturize your little one's hair every day. Doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. It's just the nature of curly hair. The majority of it is just naturally dry, so it just requires a lot of moisture, and moisture really is key when it comes to retaining length. If you're having issues keeping your little one's hair moisturized until the end of the day, or say you notice it's getting dry within an hour or so of applying the products, you probably just need to switch up the products and try different ones. More than likely those products are just not working for their hair, so you can just try different ones. It really is a trial and error process. You can try layering the products the same way I did, or you can do them in a different order. You can try doing the leave-in, the oil, and then the cream-based product, or depending on your little one's hair, you can just get away with doing a leave-in conditioner and an oil to seal in the moisture. Now, I do feel like Kylie's edges are slightly thinner than the rest of her hair, so right now I've been massaging this oil blend on her hair once a week for a little bit over a month now, and I have been noticing a little difference. So I was originally going to do my own oil blend, but I was sent this one and just decided to try it out for a bit since I saw it did have the majority of the oils I was already going to mix myself plus more. It does contain avocado oil, castor oil, mango butter, olive oil, and peppermint, just to name a few of the ingredients, which all have amazing benefits for your hair. But because it is a bit thick and it does have a very strong peppermint smell that my husband kind of complains about, I do only apply it once a week so it won't be too overbearing and her hair won't feel too greasy. If I do end up making my own oil blend to use in place of this one for her edges, we'll definitely be sure to share it with you guys along with the progress, so be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can continue watching more videos like this. Also, do make sure I place a satin or silk scarf wherever Kylie lays down to prevent any breakage from her tossing and turning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up so more people can find it, and be sure to comment below and let me know if it was helpful for you and if you were able to take something to incorporate into your little one's regimen. Be sure to check the description box for all the product details and links to the other hair videos. Now, if you'd like to see this video from Kylie's perspective and see all the bloopers and different cute outtakes, please follow the link below and be sure to subscribe to her channel, Princess Kylie Ann. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Naturally Chia, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. Thank you for watching.
Crackers?
You want crackers?
Yeah.